Hi everyone, I am Richa Mundra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, vlogs, challenges, and so much. So do hit that subscribe button. For today's video, as you all know, today is Friendships Day, so I thought of getting some of my friends together and doing a challenge and seeing how our bond is. Like, do we actually bond or is it just superficial? It's not a very difficult challenge, it's a very easy challenge. I'm sure you're gonna have fun. So let's get into the video.
Yes.
Everyone has a pen and a paper. The rules are very
Yes.
simple. You have to draw something in 5 steps only. 5 means 5. And we'll go one by one. And you have to describe the other person what you're drawing. But you cannot use the words left, right, up, and down. Instead, you have to make your own code names. Tell us what that code names are. And we have to remember. We cannot write down those code names for all the cheaters present here. We cannot write those code names. Okay, cool. And whoever is the closest to the person who is describing gets 1 point. Ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
Yep. Always ready.
Yeah, right. Okay, we'll start with Rohan.
Okay, so first code names, right?
Yeah.
So happy is up, sad is down, and left is right, right is left.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go ahead. 5
Okay.
steps, Rohan.
Yeah.
Step 1.
So draw two inverted triangles next to each other. Now from the right side of the right triangle, connect it towards the left triangle from the top as well as the bottom.
The right side of the right triangle.
Dude, that's a okay. I won't.
Right side of the right triangle.
Right triangle you have to connect it to
Left side of the left triangle. ऐसा.
with the what?
Okay.
Okay, instructions are done. Now from the top center, top बोल दिया. Now from the happy center of both the triangles, draw a straight line towards the sad side.
क्या चल रहा है?
Okay.
Now connect the lines that you just drawn from the sad side.
Already
गड़बड़ हो गई.
Mine are already connected.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गई है.
Okay, ignore. Next step. Fifth
मेरे पास
step.
रबर.
Fifth step.
Fifth step, now draw a triangle again
Hmm.
on top of what you just drew.
On top or on the happy side of it, which is true.
Ready,
Happy
Rohan?
side.
Done. No 5 steps.
Up and down माना था, top bottom थोड़ी ना माना था.
बाप रे क्या बन के आया भाई, मैं दिखाना नहीं चाहता.
यार मेरे मिस हो गए 2 पॉइंट.
Okay, are we revealing?
ठीक है, we can show.
1,
We are ready.
2, 3.
What has John made?
John has made something very different. I am very proud of my drawing.
Richa is
मेरे भी
close,
ठीक ही
I
ठाक
think.
है.
यार.
There is a circle.
ठीक है,
There is
इसलिए-
a circle in your drawing.
Whatever I made at least
I
makes
don't know.
sense.
यहाँ से join.
ये mine and Aki's are pretty
Make-
close to.
Make sense के लिए कोई marks नहीं है.
I think
No points.
जॉन और मैडी तो ना हो पाएगा. बाकी पोगो तेरी दिखा वापस से ड्राइंग.
मेरी भी क्लोज है यार काफी.
No.
I think I'll give it to Richa.
No. ये जॉन क्यों जजमेंट
Half
दे रहा है
points.
My turn. Okay.
मुझे? मैं कुछ डिफरेंट कोड नेम्स दूंगा.
Up is bottle, down is table, left is sofa, right is bed.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start.
Yep.
So draw a 45-degree line towards bottle and sofa. Sorry, towards bed and bottle.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, from the bottle of the line that you just draw like a mirror image towards table and sofa.
I think I'm winning this.
So what? Table and sofa.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay, from the table of the line that you just drew, draw a line cutting the first line that you drew at, I don't know what this angle is.
From the center.
Yeah, from the
Yeah,
center. Cool.
Should we cut it or just place
Just
it?
cut it.
Okay.
It's a very easy thing that I'm asking you guys to draw. Okay.
वापस से बोल.
Again.
From the table of that line that you drew, cut the first line in the center. Okay. Now from the bottle of the third line that you drew, draw a line towards bed, cutting the first 2 lines. Okay. And the 5th step is the last step. From the bed,
ये तो मैं जीत रहा हूँ. I am winning this.
Okay, I understood. I understood.
everyone will win it. Okay. From the bed.
No, I need the second.
From the bed of the last line that you drew, join the first line at its table.
Done.
Come on, guys. If you didn't get this, Yeah, it should be a star. Come on.
Yeah, see, Richa, see.
Yeah, I'm a very good
see.
direction giver.
See.
अक्की और पहली ड्राइंग दिखा दे, पलट मत. पहली ड्राइंग दिखा दे, जॉन तेरे को पॉइंट नहीं मिल रहा.
मेरा बहुत ही अलग बना था.
I gave good direction.
नहीं, but I got confused बीच में.
I gave very good direction. John is not getting a point. And अक्की ने kite बनाई है. हाँ, बस अक्की ने kite बनाई है. So I think these get a point. So Rohan on 1, Pogo on 1, Maddie on 1, Richa on 1. Okay,
Yes.
next is Akki's turn.
Okay, sun is up, stars are down, Venus is left, Earth is right.
Pogo, you cannot write.
I'm not writing.
Pogo.
I'm trying to remember it.
Pogo. Now you're trying to look at your sheet and remember. You're looking at your sheet and remembering.
Sure.
Should I repeat that again?
No, change the codes. Pogo's written the codes.
No, I've not written the quote. I'll show you
अपना
my
I memorized the quote.
अपने दोनों हाथ ऐसे रखो.
हाँ, सब लोग अपने दोनों हाथ ऐसे.
ठीक है.
And
Do you want me to repeat the code names or change them?
No.
Change
Change the
it.
Oh God.
because
Okay.
Maddie also wrote.
Okay. Mukka is up, Pappad is down, Jhapad is right,
Jhapad is
and knife is left. Okay. Now draw a vertical straight line, and from the Mukka of it, draw a circle so that the circle.
आराम से.
धीरे अक्की.
बाप रे.
Draw a vertically straight line, and from the Mukka of the line, draw a circle such a way that previous line acts as a tangent to the circle.
समझ गया. Circle on the Jhapad side or the knife side?
The circle on the Jhapad side, horizontally straight line, which is extending in the Jhapad side itself. Now, from where we end, draw again a circle, a small circle, similar to the previous circle that you drew. If you're done with the circle, then from again the Jhapad side of the circle, if you got Jhapad wrong,
क्या
then
बनवा रही
the
है?
whole drawing is wrong. And then from the Jhapad side, draw a vertically straight line extending towards Thappad. Again, where the line should act as a tangent to the previous circle.
ये बन गया. Very easy one. Good one, Nakansha. बन गया.
I think I'm losing this.
जो तुम लोग की
I'm
आंखें
wearing
हैं
them.
वो बना है.
नहीं, but
Guys,
Yeah.
yes.
okay,
मेरा
Pogo.
गलत है बीच सारे में.
Okay. Pogo. Maddie, what did you draw? I can't see it.
Ah.
There are 2 circles up.
Maddie ने spatula बना दिया.
Okay, so John and Rohan get a point, right?
Cool.
Cool. So John is on 1, Rohan Richa on 2, Maddie Pogo on 1 each, and Akki, do you have a point?
No. Because you didn't give me one. I should have got.
You should have drawn the star, but you didn't. Okay, John, your turn.
Okay. Left is Pogo, right is Richa, up is नीचे,
Maddie, stop
down is
writing.
ऊपर. Down is ऊपर, up
After
is
writing,
नीचे.
he's doing this.
Okay.
बहुत easy दे रहा हूँ मैं. So draw a triangle with its top pointed in the in the नीचे direction. From the Richa side of the triangle, draw another triangle which is again pointed in the Richa direction. Okay. Again follow this process, and now the next triangle should be in the upper direction.
From the Pogo side of the triangle.
Every time you have to start from the Richa side of a triangle.
Okay, wait.
I
From
got
the
it.
Richa side of a triangle, first one draw in the Richa direction. Then from the Richa side of the second triangle, draw in the
Are you
upper
twisting
direction.
the copy?
Yeah,
Because-
I am also guessing the same.
Because if you keep drawing, the page will end,
हाँ.
right?
No,
My
no,
page
he's
is
giving
ended.
right direction.
I'll continue. देखते हैं क्या होता
No,
है.
but he said the
Now-
second triangle has to be pointed in the Richa direction.
हाँ, second triangle has to be pointed in the Richa direction. Third
Okay.
triangle has to be pointed in
मुझे
the
दूसरा पेज चाहिए.
upper direction.
From the
And the
Richa
fourth
side.
triangle, yes, from the Richa side. And the fourth triangle has to be pointed in the Pogo direction. Okay? There are 4 triangles.
Okay.
अभी जब फिगर बना होगा वो enclose हुआ होगा. If it has not been enclosed, try to enclose it, and then draw a dot right in the middle.
A dot,
Okay, or
okay?
the whole diagram.
A dot, a big dot. It should be seen.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is a triangle in the Pogo direction and the upper direction. Okay. I'm talking about those 2 triangles. Where they meet, from that point, draw a line towards Pogo and upper के intersection से, like 45 degrees in between those 2 lines.
Okay.
John,
No, close. हाँ, Richa
John,
got it.
this is mine.
Richa
Yeah,
has
yeah,
gotten it. हाँ, Kancha has gotten it. ठीक है,
Rohan को
already
छोड़
got
के
it.
everyone's got it.
यही था बस.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
दिखाइयो.
Last line गड़बड़ है.
ठीक है, cool.
Oh,
ठीक है.
guys.
Okay.
So Akki is on 1,
Akanksha
I am
camera खोल
on
दिया देख.
3, Pogo
Thank
is
you,
on 2,
Johnny.
Maddie is on 2, Rohan is also on 2, I am on 3. go step.
Okay, go.
I'll make some different codes, okay?
Okay.
My mind में विचार
Triangle is a circle, circle is a triangle, square is a pentagon, pentagon is a square.
Okay.
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 ठीक है?
ठीक है.
So draw a circle,
Draw circle कैसा मतलब?
simple circle.
One
ठीक है?
step done.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Simple.
Now inside the circle, you have to draw a triangle, touching all sides of the circle. Now you have to divide the triangle which you drew into two halves, okay, with a horizontal line.
That is easy. 3
Okay,
steps are
then
done.
take it
3
two more
steps are
steps.
done.
Yeah.
In the upper part of the triangle, you have to draw two squares adjacent to each other, okay? Not joining, just normal two squares. Okay, and in the lower half of the triangle, you have to draw a pentagon.
Over this.
For this.
Wait. एक एक करके दिखाओ. सबसे पहले रोहन,
No.
Rohan,
Here
your
you
pentagons
go.
are out of the circle. You're wrong. This
Okay.
is the drawing.
Mine. Pogo. मेरा देखो.
Yeah. Aki got it.
John
No,
and I
John.
do similar.
Pogo,
John
I
and I
touched.
do similar things.
रिचा ने उल्टा कर दिया.
हाँ, मैंने उल्टा
Pentagon
कर
and
दिया,
square.
हाँ.
I think Aki is right. I want to
I
see
think
Maddie's.
Maddie is also right. Maddie is righter than
Are
Aki.
you not seeing it?
हाँ, I'll give to Aki and Maddie both.
Yeah.
So points please. Rohan on 2, Richa on 3, Aki on 2, John on 1,
Number 1.
Pogo on 2, Maddie on
Two.
2.
2.
It's Maddie's turn.
Say.
Okay, top of Saraswati.
Okay.
Guys, don't write.
Tongue to stick.
Bottom is Bujjukutti, left is Lola Kuti, okay? And
Right
right
is-
is
कर दे.
Rapchikutti.
Rapchikutti, okay, Rapchikutti.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, so listen to the instruction carefully.
Okay.
First instruction is you need to draw two inverted trapezium, one on each other. The second one should be little bit smaller than the first one. The second one's inverted trapezium's top side should be the bottom side of the second one. But make sure that it should be smaller than the bottom one. I'm going to use top, bottom, left, right only because I myself is getting confused. Okay, now the Tangakutti side of the the top trapezium, draw two rectangles. Okay, it should be next to each other. Okay, I'll tell you listen to the
Joining?
instruction clearly.
Joining each other.
Yeah.
No, not
Next to
joining
each
each other. It should be having some gap, but the breadth of the rectangle should be coinciding with the bottom part of the inverted trapezium,
Okay.
which is in the top.
I didn't understand.
Yeah. Got it.
Got it. Next.
Okay, I said.
Okay,
Okay, I'll tell you.
Next.
Okay.
No.
I'll tell one last time. So now you have first instruction has to have two inverted trapezium one on each other. Okay, now we'll consider this as one structure. Now at the top of this trapezium, draw two rectangles. These rectangles should not touch each other. It should be having little bit of gap from each, right?
Vertical
And,
rectangles they are, right?
Yeah, vertical. The breadth of the rectangle should coincide with the top of the trapezium part that you have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the preferred rectangular side is you should be drawing it towards the Lola Kuti side. The rectangular it should not be on the center. It should not be in the Rapchi Kuti side. It should be on the Lola Kuti side. Okay, and the one rectangular, the first the Lola Kuti, the most Lola Kuti side rectangular should be lengthier than the next one. Now this is the second step. Second step is drawing a rectangle in a vertical position on the top of the trapezium that you have drawn now. The one rectangle should be taller than the other another rectangle.
Okay.
Now
This is the previous
go to the
instruction.
so at the Bujikutti side of the trapezium part, the overall trapezium part, draw
Side?
two sine waves. Third instruction is you have to draw two sine waves. Those sine waves should be having a gap between them, and the upper sine wave should be touching the Rapchikutti side of the trapezium part that you have drew. Yeah, third instruction is done. Fourth instruction. So there are two trapezium parts are there, right? Upper part and lower part. The upper part in the middle space, you should be drawing small squares. Okay, like small squares continuously. It can be like from the Lola Kuti side to Rabji Kuti side.
The square should be on which trapezium? The longer one or the smaller one?
The top one.
It is a smaller one.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, fifth instruction is in the lower part of the lower trapezium, write Richa Mundra.
Wow. Any
Wow.
format to write?
Up to you.
Done?
Done.
I want to see what Maddie
has made
Yeah,
first
even
of
I
all.
want to see first what Maddie is doing.
Maddie, is it this?
Maddie
is it
too.
This
this?
is what I made. Yeah, John.
Mine is
I'm
also
also right.
I coincided something else only.
You know how many times I had to redraw? ये देखो.
It is exactly what
See,
Maddie
this is 1,
told.
this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is
Maddie,
5.
decide. Maddie, you decide.
I should get 2 marks for effort, okay?
Okay. Akanksha is getting the full point because she just exactly depicted what I have instructed.
It's the same.
John?
Thank you guys.
I do the same thing that Akansha did.
Yeah. John also, yes.
Okay, fine. What are the final scores then? Rohan?
2.
Richa
2.
3, Pogo?
2.
Aki 3? Okay. Maddie?
2.
I
No,
have to.
no, 2.
Okay, so me and Aki won the game. Thank you so much guys for coming on the video. It was a fun, and before we go and end this video, let's do the drill.
Like the video if you liked it.
Please comment.
Please share the video.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Happy Friendships Day!
Happy Friendship
Friendship
Day.
Day.
Yay.